So did you all revise what we have seen? Can you quickly give a yes? Those who have revised and practiced. Yes, quickly. Now all of you have to respond. Okay, yesterday you were slow in responding. Okay. So see, what did we see so far? We have seen statements, right? And then the negation, and then some statements in which we had quantifiers. So something like there exists some x in set X, and X has property P. So X satisfies some property P, and the negation of this was right. So if you can find some X in the set which has the property P, the negation was you take any X, given any X, right? This property does not hold. So X does not have property P. Okay, and then similarly using universal quantifier you can negate, and then you can if you take the negation of the negation, again we get back the original statement, and exactly one of them is true. Either the statement is true or the negation is true. If the statement is true, the negation is false. If the statement is false, the negation is true. Right. So this is what we have discussed. And then we have seen yesterday some statements, examples of statement with more than one quantifiers. Okay. So let us start with one. I will give you one, then you can give me other examples. Yeah. So first, let me give you one example. Then, so there is a breakout room in which every student discusses in Hindi. Okay. What you have to do? Identify the set, then quantify the property quickly. Those who have answered, say yes. The same thing what we discussed yesterday, right? Some example I observed in some breakout room, every student were discussing in Hindi. So I just made a statement. Right? First, give me the set. What is the set? I'll ask one of you. See, some people are not responding yet. Okay, let me say breakout room in G2. We are talking about G2 only. Okay. Marshi, room number 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, नहीं किया. You did not respond.
So, sir.
So now tell the answer. What is the set here?
Set is any breakout room in G2.
Any breakout room or set of all? So set is yes, set of all breakout rooms in G2. Okay. Room number 7. Arpita.
Yes, sir.
You did not respond. What happened?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
So
yes,
now,
sir. Quantifier is sir existence.
Yes, but then if you know the answer, even if the answer is wrong, it does not matter. You should respond, no?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Any notation for the set? Set of all breakout rooms in G2. Arpita, you want to give some notation?
No, no, sir.
Some notation for this set we want to give. Okay. Some letter.
X.
X. Okay. X is the set of all breakout rooms in G2, right? 10 breakout rooms are there. I can see students from 10 rooms. Okay. Room number 4, Priyanshi. What is the property?
That every student discusses in Hindi.
Yes, every student in the breakout room discusses in Hindi. Okay. So now Can you help me write in terms of quantifiers?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How do I write?
There exists, we can take any small x belongs to x,
Yes. What
capital
would be
X.
small x?
So small x will be any breakout room from
Yes,
set X.
small x is an element of this, right? So this is a set of all breakout rooms. Very good. So small x is a breakout room. So there is a breakout room such that
Every student in X.
every student in X, which X? Small x, capital X.
Small x.
Yes, breakout room is X, right? So every student in that breakout room
Discusses in Hindi.
yes, discusses in Hindi. So now I'll ask only those students who have not responded. Okay. Just clearing the feedback. Is it clear for everyone? This type of examples we discussed yesterday and in the breakout room also you have discussed. Yes, Sakshi?
सर यहाँ पे सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हो सकता है क्या?
Students क्यों होगा? Every student, right? Or all students. It's just word, all students. If you don't want to use this, all students in X discusses in Hindi. Is that the confusion? Sakshi?
यस सर, सेट जैसे यहाँ पे सेट ऑफ ऑल ब्रेकआउट्स रूम इन G2 लिए इसके स्थान पे सेट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा ले सकते हैं
वो
क्या?
तो
पूछ रही हूँ मैं.
so now that will be now. So this is also
No,
a
Jay,
state. Yeah.
I think she is thinking of set of student, all the students in this group. Let us say this G2. That is what
Yes, sir.
is her doubt.
No, we are okay. Yeah, Sakshi.
Okay, so I think instead of maybe you can say set of student that actually depends upon X, the room X.
So students
give some notation which depends upon X.
So now we are coming to that. So
Yeah.
see, first set is that we are talking about breakout rooms, right? There is a breakout room. So we are talking about breakout rooms in G2. So first our set is set X, which is a set of all breakout rooms. How many elements are there? 10 elements are there. We have 10 breakout rooms. Then we are talking about there is, so existential quantifier. And the property is all the students in that breakout room, they discuss in Hindi. So every student in the breakout room X discusses in Hindi. Okay. So we just we have written. Now what Sakshi is saying, this is a statement. Does it have a set quantifier and a property? Can we write it in terms of quantifiers? Is that what you are asking, Sakshi?
नहीं सर, मैं सिर्फ ये बोल रही कि सेट को हम लोग ये लिख सकते हैं क्या? सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन ब्रेकआउट रूम्स करके.
इसका ना इसमें ना
सेट पे सेट एक्स
X
सेट
को
ऑफ
ही
ऑल ब्रेक. हाँ, सेट ऑफ ऑल ब्रेकआउट रूम इन G2.
हाँ okay.
इसके
So
स्थान पे सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन G2 लिख सकते हैं क्या?
but
ब्रेकआउट
आपके
रूम्स.
we are
Can you read the sentence? Can you read the statement given to you? There is a breakout room in G2 in which every student discusses in Hindi, right? Sakshi?
यस मैम.
तो हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं इधर?
ब्रेकआउट रूम्स के बारे में जहाँ पे
हाँ।
स्टूडेंट्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं.
yes yes
तो इसीलिए जय सर ने वो लिखा है
ना ऐसे स्टेटमेंट आप बना सकते हो. देयर इज अ ब्रेकआउट रूम इन विच एवरी स्टूडेंट इज फीमेल. देयर इज अ ब्रेकआउट रूम इन विच द मेंटर इज मेल. देयर इज अ ब्रेकआउट रूम एंड सो ये सारे स्टेटमेंट्स में क्या होगा, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ब्रेकआउट रूम्स, राइट? सो सेट इज अ सेट ऑफ ब्रेकआउट रूम्स, है ना? ये स्टूडेंट वाला दिस इज अ प्रॉपर्टी, है ना?
यस सर.
हाँ, so okay. So there is a breakout room in which the number of people is 8. There is a breakout room in which the number of people is 7. All this is property. We are talking about breakout rooms. So this set will be a set of breakout rooms. Do you follow now, Sakshi?
यस सर.
Yeah, okay. Kundan, you have any question? You have raised hand.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
So can we assume two sets here? X for set of all breakout rooms in G2, and let us assume S for all set of all students in G2.
But why do we need two sets? I'm coming to that. See, this is the first set. We identified the set quantifier and this is a property. Okay.
We can use two quantifiers here now.
So now that's what I'm coming to. Now this is a statement. Does it
Yes,
have a
sir.
quantifier? Does it have a set and property? If you can find it, then click yes. Those who can find it. Now this is our statement. Every student in X discusses in Hindi. Do you see any set here? Do you see a quantifier or property? Come on, quickly click yes. First, give me the set here. Okay, room number 4. Bhakti.
Yes, sir.
What is the set here?
Every students
Where students कहाँ पे?
in X.
X क्या है? Student in breakout room, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this set is set of students here. The another set is set of students. कहाँ पे students? In your college or my college or breakout room?
In breakout room.
Yes, in breakout room X. Okay. Do you want to give any notation, Bhakti? What notation should we give for this set?
Capital S.
Capital S. Okay, students in breakout room. Okay, let me take capital S. Okay. What is the quantifier? Room number 4, Priyanshi.
Yes, sir.
Quantifier. Quickly now tell quantifier.
For all students. For all.
We are talking about all students, right? So quantifier is given any. Okay.
For all.
What is the property?
Discusses in Hindi.
Student discusses in Hindi. So now can we write this in terms of quantifier? Can you help me?
For all.
Yes, given any.
For all, capital S belongs to small x.
Capital S belongs to.
Sir, you have written something different.
Okay. This is already there, which I have copied now. Now
Yes,
you help
sir.
me with this. Now what is a quantifier? You said given any, right? So given any.
Small s belongs to capital S.
Yes. What is small s?
So students in breakout room X.
Small s is a student, right? Given any student in, okay. And then what is the property?
Discusses in Hindi.
Who discusses?
S.
S. Yes. That student discusses. S discusses
In Hindi.
in Hindi.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. I'm clearing the feedback. How many of you agree with her? How many of you say this is true? Those who agree say yes. Those who have some problems say no. Okay, Shivam has some problem. Yes, Shiva.
S in X discusses in Hindi.
S in X. No, but that is S, no? Already S is a number of, is a set of students in breakout room.
We
Okay,
haven't used X, small x as.
why do we need to use X? Where do we need to use X? Okay, let me ask room number 2, Anwar.
So I have a similar problem. Wouldn't it be better if we use the same notation in both places? Because X is already the breakout room and then we're creating S. It creates some confusion. So wouldn't it be better if we use the same notation in both places?
No, why same? This is a breakout room. This is R1. X can be R2 or R3, or this is a breakout room. And this is a student in breakout room. You are in room number 2. So this is students in room number 2. So this S will be, here it will be Anwar. Okay, here it will be Divya. Here it will be Palak. So that is.
So I was talking about replacing capital S with small x, which essentially means the same thing. So
Capital S with small s.
Small x.
Small x. Oh, no. X is a set of breakout rooms. What is X? You
No,
see?
the capital X is the set of breakout, but small x is the breakout room itself.
So small x is the breakout room. So do you want to say that here you want x, small x?
No, I want small x. I mean small x in place of capital X. Yes.
S
Okay.
belongs to x.
Yes, but I mean I just
Oh,
we
okay,
can define
I
it in
get
that
your,
way.
I get your point. Yes. But now this is a breakout room we are talking about. This is a set of students. Okay, because you are belonging to that, that's why it's creating a confusion. Okay, but this is just set of students in that breakout room. But what you mean is, now suppose if I choose Anwar, okay, X is room number 2, let's say room number 2, then what is this S?
Yes, it's the set of students in X. I understand why
Ah.
we use S, but I thought that it will,
I
it create
understand
some
your,
confusion that will simplify.
that's what I'm addressing now. Okay, so those who are, I'm clearing the feedback. Those who are in, yeah, I've chosen X to be R2. Those who are in R2, can you click yes? Okay. Room number 2 quickly. Those who are in R6 also clicking yes. Kushi, you are not in R2. Are you in room number 2? Okay, only R2. Palak, you are not in room number 2. So, okay, this set is what? Now I've chosen X. So, set of students in room number 2. So, I'll have Adya, Anwar, Aduvait, right? And all the students. They are room number 2. So, Vishwa is there at the end. Okay, so all the students are there. Is it true? Adya, does the statement hold for you? All
Yes, sir.
all students discuss in Hindi in your room?
No, sir.
No, so okay, this for her it is not true. Then I'll go. So the statement is not true because in room number 2, all the students discuss in Hindi is not true. So I go to another room. So I select room number 3 now. So clearing the feedback, those who are in room number 3. So those who are in now S, this S, click yes. Okay, so I have another set which is Aarti, Ankita, Heath, and Sumanyu, Siddhi, right? Now my question is the set same? See, I went to room number 3 and then my set S is this. So set has changed. Yes, so, but I am used the same notation. So is the set same every time? Are you following? How many of you are understanding? If I choose room number 1, what is the set? Set of students in breakout room number 1. If I choose room number 2, the set is set of all students in breakout room number 2. But we have used only one notation. Is the set same every time or not same? Is the set changing? Those who think the set is same, click yes. Those who think set is changing, click no. Right, Abhi, we have seen room number 2, this is my S. Room number 3, then my S is this. Set is changing, but we have used only single notation. How many sets are there? Khushi, room number 6.
Yes, sir.
How many sets are there?
The two sets.
Sorry?
The two sets.
No, here X is there, but here is the set S only unique or are they also changing?
So it is changing.
It is changing, right? So how many sets are there?
So there are two sets, but S is changing.
So how many S are there? How many S are there?
So S is unique.
S is unique. See here, room number 2 already there is S. Let me ask somebody. Charvi, room number 5.
Yes, sir.
How many S are there? Is S same set or they are different every time?
They're
Does it
different.
Different every time.
Different. So it depends on which what? S depends on what?
It depends on the breakout room.
Yes, yes,
X.
good. It depends on the breakout room. If I choose room number 1, now I'm focusing to only students in room number 1. See, this is what happens. If I enter room number 1, no, in discussion, then I can see only room number 1 students. I cannot see every student. If I go to room number 2, I can see only my set is now observing only students from room number 2. If I go to room number 3, my set is only this. So set is changing every time, but I use only fixed notation. So there, how many such sets are there? Charvi, how many sets can be there? How many S can be there? It depends on the breakout
S.
rooms.
Yeah.
So there will be 10 S. So
10
there,
S.
room number 1, I have S1 maybe. Room number 2, I have S2, right? So there are how many sets? So what notation should we give here? Instead of
Well,
S, it's not single set. It is depending on room number, right? So what notation should we give?
S with subscript X.
Yes, X suffix X. Okay, so you
Yes.
see here, so good, thank you, Charvi. So we are using S suffix X. Why we are using S suffix X? Because see, we are this set of students, but not all students in G2. This set of students in breakout room X. So it depends on X, right? That's what I think Anwar was also saying. So this depends on X. So we have SX students in breakout room X. Okay. How many of you understand this? Do those only understand say yes? Those who did not understand say no. Okay. Good.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Room 10, Abhishek Kumar. Have you understood or have you not understood? Room number 2, Divya Ben Bhubenji.
Yeah. Room number 1, Vaishali.
Abhishek has not been responding to any queries the last sometime. Can you say, I mean, he asked some questions in the past. Why did you not respond? Even for the last one? Last question, you did not respond. Can you unmute and say what is happening? Abhishek Kumar.
What is the problem? Abhishek, are you there?
Can you unmute and say R2 Divya Ben? You have not responded to the question.
Yes, so mentors, please take note of that.
Note. Yeah. You see, mentors are keeping a watch on you. Okay. It's just there's no point like you are attending just passively. You have to respond with yes or no, whatever is the case.
One has said no, so
somebody has said no. I think room number 6 maybe. So 8. Takshak, you have any problem?
Sir, could you repeat the last part? I didn't understand.
You are in room number 8. Okay. So when you go in the breakout room, how many students you see? Do you see all the students?
Yeah, sometimes I see all the students, sometimes I don't see them.
In your room number 8 breakout discussion, mein, do you see all the students or only room number 8 students?
Only room number 8 students.
Only room number 8 students, right? So what is the statement? There exists a breakout room in which given any student in the breakout room, it discusses in here. So when I go to room number 8, I'll be able to see only my focus is now students of room number 8, right?
Yeah.
And I'll check every student is discussing in Hindi or not. This is my observation, right? Yeah. So if I go in room number 7, what will I see? What will be my set now?
So my set
students
will
of
be,
students of
room number 7.
students of room number 7, right?
Yeah.
So my set has changed. So
Yes.
if I go in room number 7, my set is students of room number 7. If I go to
Yeah.
some other room, my set is changing every time. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
So we use S suffix S. This is not single S. It depends on X. ना?
So basically it's changing with respect to X.
So we want to find a breakout room in which every student is discussing in Hindi. Okay. This is how this. Okay. Okay. Yes, Kundan.
Sir, if we change quantifiers, what will be the meaning?
That you discuss. That we discussed yesterday also, and I asked you to discuss in the breakout room. Okay. If you have question after discussion, then we'll discuss after the breakout room session is over. Is that okay, Kundan?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, because we did 2 examples at least, and we had post discussion also. So I think you can manage and discuss with your friends. Okay. Now we want to negate this. Okay, clearing the feedback. What is a negation? See, the statement says there is a breakout room with some property. We can find some breakout room with some property. What is a negation? Room number 9, Rigved.
Jay, it may be a good idea to write it. Maybe there are too many things. So write it clearly with statement and then ask for negation. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
I'll
go
add
to the next page.
Next page. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll add one more page, and the statement is now I write in terms of quantifiers only.
Yeah.
Okay. So there exists a breakout room, right? X is the set of all breakout rooms, such that given any student in that breakout room, so set of all students in the breakout room number X. Okay. Room number 1, I have S1. Okay. Room number 2, I have it. So such that S discusses in Hindi. Okay. Can you imagine the situation? I go to each breakout room, I observe all the students. Whether all of them are speaking in Hindi, I have found my room. My statement is true. My job is done. Okay. If it first room I go and it is not the case, I'll go to second room. Okay. When I go to third room, all students in the third room are discussing in Hindi, I'm done. I found a breakout room. That's it. So when the statement is false, yes. Now there are many tick. Yes, Rigved. Can you answer
Given
now?
in any breakout room in G2, there is a student who does not discuss in Hindi.
Wait. Yes. So given any breakout room, so it is not true if I go to all the breakout rooms and I don't find this. Okay. So given any X in X, given any breakout room, now we have to negate this. Yes. Now
There
tell
exists
again.
a student.
So this was given any student, this was true. So when it is not true, if I can at least find one student, there exists a student S in Sx such that
S does not discuss in Hindi.
yes, thank you, good. S does not discuss in Hindi. Okay.
Should we say S discusses in English? Just for fun, let us see.
Pradnya, room number 6.
Yes, sir.
Why? Can we say that S discuss in English?
No, sir.
Why? If S discuss
Because
in English, then what is the problem?
because yes, the discussing also Marathi, also in other language. So we call not this is a negation.
So it's a part of only negation, right? It can
Not-
be in Marathi also. So
Not
negation.
not Hindi does not mean English, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes, okay, good. Okay, I want to take you to take 15 seconds break and go through this. Okay. First, I'll Yes, those who are done, you can click yes. Yes, Shivam.
From yesterday, sir, from yesterday and today also, I noticed a pattern when negotiating a statement. Every time when negotiating, quantifier changes and a not has been added to the end.
Because the property is there, no? So the property as satisfied, this is what we observed, no? This is what we revised. If the statement is like this, right? But we just don't see that mechanical pattern. It's just okay, this is the there, but you can visualize it like there is some
Quantifier changes
element.
every time quantifier changes and a not is when added to the property.
But then you have to observe why it is like that. Try to think about why the quantifier changes. What does it mean to say the statement is false? What does it mean to first say the statement is true? What is meant by saying that it is false? Okay, so yeah, that's a correct observation. Yes, Priyanshi.
Sir, I am having a doubt.
In where?
So can't we write, will a statement be wrong negation if we write there does not exist x belongs to x, then the remaining part we keep the same, which is there exist by there does not exist.
Where do you want to say there does
So I
not
want to
exist?
say there does not exist x belongs to x for all s belongs to sx as discussed in Hindi.
So in English we say it like that also. And there is no student. Instead of this, every
Then
student discusses.
if we write in mathematically in terms of quantifier, then we will put
Quantifiers, there are
across.
two only. Yeah, there are only two quantifiers. English, see, there are many ways. Yes, we discussed yesterday. There are many ways. All students discussing in Hindi. The another way of speaking is no student is speaking in. There is no student who is discussing in Hindi. Okay, there is no student. But again, the quantifier is what? Right. So negation is what we use this quantifier. What is the negation of this? Something is true for every means. What is a negation? We can find one element for which there exists which is not true. So there are many ways of saying same thing in English. But then negation will be difficult if we use different phrases. Okay. Every student passed in exam. Okay. But then what do we say?
There exists a student which
There
is not
exists a student who did not pass. We don't say did not, who failed. The student may be absent also, right? But
yes.
but then we say that there is a student who is a gold medalist. We discussed yesterday, right? Then negation will be negation will be there is a student who is a gold medalist. What is the negation in that case? If we say that no student is gold medalist, it is also one way of
for
saying
all
every
students.
student is not gold medalist. For all students, they are not. All these ways are saying same, but then confusion is there. So what is the proper way we speak is given any student in this class, S is not a gold medalist. That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Pawan?
Jay,
Yeah.
I think in some places they may be using the quantifier like there exist and they will cancel to say that they does not exist. They exist and like this. So possibly that is what the doubt she is having.
What she is
But
saying,
then
I think,
so
is like this.
we because that would also mean that means take any student who doesn't speak, but that is not what we mean, right? So it is better to avoid such notations. We will use only these two for all and there exist, nothing else.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Pawan?
Sir, please explain again, not as.
Can you clear this doubt in your discussion? Okay, what she says is, what she was saying is there does not exist any S in SX for which this is true. Okay, S discusses in Hindi, ऐसा कोई student नहीं है, but it's the same thing. You take any student, given any student, S does not discuss in Hindi. And here the negation is given in the quantifier. There does not exist any student who discusses in Hindi. So it's in English, there are many ways of saying it, but then when we try to negate it, there are chances we make mistake, we get confused. There's confusion arising because we use this kind of thing. So that's why we are writing in terms of quantifiers and we are negating it step by step. There exists a breakout room. If that is not true, that means given any breakout rooms, this is now not true. So what is the meaning of this? So step by step, given any student, so there exists a student. And this is not true, that means does not discuss in English. Okay, so there are many ways of saying the same thing in the language, but it will create confusion. That's why we are using this quantifiers. Is that okay, Pawan? I think I hope you can clear. हाँ
सर एस के अपोजिट में रहता है क्या वो सर?
किसके?
एस, वो जो एस है अपना ऊपर का, उसके अपोजिट में नॉट एस रहता है क्या?
No, I don't know what not S means. What you are saying, I'm not able to understand.
Negation S you have written and not S. The negation of S is not S.
Okay, yes.
That is
This is a
confusion.
negation of yes, that's what I told, na? Negation of S. Negation of S. Sometimes I write not S, sometimes we denote like this, but just I meant is negation. Okay. Khushi?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt. Sir, can we take H as a set of students discussed in Hindi? And Fx intersection H is equals to 5.
SX intersection S. Okay.
Sir, H as a set of students discussed in Hindi.
SH. Here you want to give H, right?
Yes, sir.
Students
Yes,
discussing in
SX.
Hindi. Yeah, you think about it and discuss in your breakout room, okay? Is it fine?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, clearing all the feedback, moving to another example. Okay, quickly. So just one more and then. So there is a university in Mumbai in which every student has attended online classes. We want a set now quickly. We want to write in terms of quantifiers. What we are talking about. First, identify the set. Room number 7. Pawan?
Yes, sir.
You did not respond. Why? What is the set here? Pawan, what is the set?
University in Mumbai.
Yes. Only one or set of all universities? What notation would you like to give, Pawan? Room number 7, Shivam.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What notation you want to give? Set of universities?
Set of all universities, capital U.
So set of all
Universities in
universities. Yes, okay. Universities in Mumbai. Okay. What is the quantifier?
There is.
There exists. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now we want to write in, and what is the property? Quickly.
In which all students attend online class.
All students of that university are attend online classes. Okay. Attended
Yes.
online classes. So how do we write in terms of quantifier now?
There exists.
There exists.
Small u belongs to capital U.
Yes, there exists a small u which is a university in capital U such that
Every student belongs to small u.
Every student
In small u
every student in this university U
has attended online class.
okay, thank you, has attended online classes. Fine. Okay, good. Clearing all the feedback again. Another statement with quantifier, this property itself, identify set and all. Give notation and directly write in terms of quantifier now. Okay. Those who want to give answer, just directly give the notation. Yes, room number 6, Kashish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There exists U in U such that now this statement we want to write in terms of quantifier. What is the set here?
So set of all students
Where? In India, in the world, in G2, where?
in a set of all in Mumbai.
In
In
Mumbai or
university. In university.
in the university. कौन सी university? Which university? Do we have a notation for university? Okay, pay attention. Let me ask somebody else. Room number 5, Jainam.
Yes, sir.
Please answer quickly. Yes.
Oh, for all,
Yeah, that is a quantifier given any. And then what is a set? What is a
that is
set now?
student in university in
So
Mumbai.
what notation should we use? क्या notation
Small
देंगे?
u.
Small u. U तो already we have used. U is a university.
Sorry. We can use O, small o.
Okay. O is for what?
Small s.
S.
Student in U.
So S is, so what notation do you want to give for set? Set का notation. Small s is
Capital
for
S.
student, but capital S.
Capital X with in U. Suffix
हाँ.
U, small u.
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, thank you. So how many of you understand this? SU. Why did we use SU? Just like previous example. Okay, how many sets are there? Okay, I go to Mumbai University. So then, what is my set? Set of students in Mumbai University. I go to some other university. Set of students in that university. Somebody said no. Yes, Pooja.
यस सर, ये वाला एक बार और एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए,
हाँ.
मैं लेट ज्वाइन हुई हूँ। आज आपको क्या है?
Acha, okay, but we discussed previous example, right? If the university is Mumbai University, then what is our set? We are looking at the set of students in Mumbai University only, right? But now we change our university here, the set also changes, right? दूसरे यूनिवर्सिटी में जाओगे तो अभी क्या ऑब्जर्व करोगे? Students of that universities, right? So the set is changing. So there are many sets. It depends on the U. So that's why we write SU. Okay, good. And do you follow, Pooja? Okay, yes. So room number 10, Yashraj.
Yes, sir.
Now we want to complete this rest of the sentence.
Such that
Such that
S attended the online class. S has
yes,
attended the online class.
S has attended online classes. Okay. Those who understand this, say yes. And I would like you to discuss the negation in the discussion room. Ankita, not responding. Arti, room number 3, Sita, room number 4, Mansi, room number 5, Krishna, Akanksha,
Room number 10, Abhishek Kumar.
Rida, room number 9, Rida Jan, Rishikesh. Okay. Now you know what to do. I'll not ask you question. Just say yes when you have figured out. Room number 8, Rahul. Room number 3, Siddhi. You said yes. Siddhi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell now. What is a quantifier? Set
For all.
quantifier. Yes. Given any. What is your set?
City in Maharashtra.
Set of all cities in Maharashtra. So in some notation we want to fix.
Capital C.
Okay, good. Set of all cities in Maharashtra. Okay, so now given any. How do I write in terms of quantifier?
For all, small c
Yes.
belongs to capital C.
Yes, yes. What is the property?
Has a university in which every student has attended online classes.
Who has a university? City has a university, right?
Yes, sir.
So city, C has a university in which every student,
Every student has attended online classes.
yes, has attended online classes. Room number 4, Priyanshi, same answer.
Yes, sir.
Aisha, you have any question?
Yes, sir. So
Yes,
instead
what?
of C has a university in which so
हाँ.
there can be right every student has attended online classes
Every student where?
in the particular university.
Which university? Our university we have not fixed. We are talking about every city in Maharashtra. So we are talking about cities in Maharashtra. So we have a set of all cities in Maharashtra. Okay. And we are talking about all the cities. So we have a quantifier. And then we have this property. What is the property? We are talking about city. What we are saying about city? That city has a university. So C has a university in which every student has attended online classes. Simple. Do you
So
understand
in
it?
this statement, what is the according to me, I thought the property is every student has attended online classes.
Are we talking about students in the city or students in the university?
Student in the city.
Students in the city, then you read the statement
No,
again.
no, student in the university. Sorry.
So but
Student in
we
the
have not
university.
fixed, but we have not fixed any university here. What we are talking about, every city in Maharashtra. So set of cities, given any city. Sorry, for example, if I go in Mumbai, now what is the property of Mumbai? Mumbai does not have students. Mumbai has a university in which every student has attended online classes. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We're talking about city, and that city has a university. That city may have many university. It has a university. Priyanshi?
Sir, I wanted to make some change in the answer. Sir, like in the previous statement as well, sir, I want to create one more set of student.
Set of students where?
So, like in the second part, we have written C as a university in which every student has attended
Yes.
online class.
So now this is a statement, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
now in this statement, what are we talking about?
So we are talking about student. That student has attended online classes.
Students in city, are we talking about?
University.
So which university? So what are we
Just
talking about? We are talking about
university in C.
Yes, very good. Yes, this is what the thing. If I go to Mumbai, then now what is the thing? What are we talking about? Mumbai has a university, so we are
Yes,
talking
sir.
about universities in Mumbai. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And what are we talking about? All the students of that university has attended online classes. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have we seen this already? This part? Did you observe anything? You just seen this, right? Replace C by Mumbai. So what do we have? Is it same here? Mumbai, there is a university in Mumbai in which every student has attended online classes. So what will be now this? What will be our set here? Yes, Ritu?
So all the universities in city C.
Yes, so what is the notation we do want to use? Shall we use? Which notation? Set of all
So for
university. क्या क्या नोटेशन यूज करेंगे बताओ जल्दी नोटेशन.
small u belongs to
हाँ, small u belongs to
a capital U suffix C.
capital U suffix C. Very good. So this U is for set of universities in the CTC. CTC
Yes.
is fixed now. Yes, those who understand click yes. And what is a quantifier? You are not given quantifier, Ritu. Yes, what is a quantifier here?
There exist.
Yes, so city has a right, so there exists. Good. And now what is a property?
That every student has attended online classes.
Every student where? So is there any other set? Okay, let me write every student of where?
Of university.
In which is there, right? So every student of you has
Yes.
attended online classes. Okay, good. Okay, room number 10, Rachna.
Yes, sir.
The same as what we have done, right? Every
Yes, sir.
student. So this is how do we write this? Every student. How do we write in terms of quantifier, Rachna?
For all S belongs to
Yes.
capital S suffix U.
Yes, student in that university. Now we have chosen a city. Now we are looking at a set of universities in that city. So that set is changing. It depends on city. And now the set of students of university depends on you. So we have now SU. Very good. Okay. SU says that
S has attended
S
online
has
classes.
attended online
Classes.
classes. Okay, fine. Now this is okay. Okay, very good. Take a pause and those who understand say yes. Take 10-15 seconds. Go through this. Now, how many quantifiers? 3 quantifiers are there, right? Already this statement we had seen with 2 quantifiers. We just added one more quantifier. Those who are partly confident that yes, we can do it in the discussion, click yes. Okay. Some are not responding yet. Can you give one more quantifier in this? We want to make one more quantifier. Did you observe what did I do here in the statement? Earlier we had 2 quantifiers, now I have 3. So in the previous statement we were talking about Mumbai, university in Mumbai. Every student attended online classes. And now I changed Mumbai to every city in Maharashtra. Again has a university in which. So can you give one more quantifier? Room number 9, Vishal.
Yes, sir.
कोई स्टेटमेंट इसमें से बना सकते हो मे बी विथ वन मोर क्वांटिफायर.
S has attended online classes for this.
ये दिस वन जो अभी किया ना.
So
इसमें there are 3 quantifiers. Can you make one more quantifier like this?
there exist a student who has attended online classes.
So then there is only one quantifier. Vinith. See, I'm talking about city now. I can go beyond also. Vinith, can you answer?
Sir, attendant, if we change that for all S belongs to SU, there exists S naught which belongs to SU.
No, maybe my question is not clear. See, my what I wanted to you to observe. Yeah, Pritika, you have question or you have answer?
Answer, sir.
बताओ चलो.
So we can add the state that
We
for
can
a
add
state
state.
in India,
For all states in India, and then
the same statement
in
continues.
every city in that state
State,
has a
yes.
university in which every student has attended online classes. So one more quantifier already given, right? So this is what I have written. There is a state in India, okay, in which every city has a university in which every student has attended online classes. Do you see what I have done? Did you observe? And if you understand what I've done, you can click yes. Can you negate this now? Okay. So this I'll leave for discussion. But discuss only when you are comfortable handling statements with two quantifiers, then discuss for three, and then try to create frame such statements with more than quantifiers, right? Multiple quantifiers. Okay. Just want you to take 10 seconds break and think on what we have done.
If you're done thinking, then you can click yes.
Then you
After
can
10
click
seconds.
yes. There won't be any questions now. Okay. Just you have to go through in your mind what we have done. Okay. What about others? Still going through? Okay. So now I'm giving, yeah, fine. So now I'm giving a statement. So Siddhi, right? Room number 3, Siddhi is there. So I'm saying Siddhi has in Zoom and MTTS classroom. Siddhi, is it true? Room number 3, Siddhi, is it true for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have an account in Zoom and you also have an account. But did you log in both accounts? Zoom, I know because you are attending classes, right? But did you log in MTTS classroom through your account, Siddhi?
No, sir.
अभी log in नहीं किया? So how do you download the lecture notes?
हाँ किया है Zoom पे भी और MTTS में.
So that's fine. Okay. Okay. My question is, when is the statement false? So I said that Siddhi has an account in Zoom and MTTS classroom. The question is, when is the statement false? कब गलत होगा? What can you say? Right? If I say the statement is false, what do we mean? Advait, room number 2.
So the statement will be false if Siddhi does not have an account in either the Zoom platform or the MTTS class.
So What do it say? The Siddhi does not have an account in Zoom, or she does not have an account in MTTS classroom. Okay, room number 3, Pritika, same answer or different answer?
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Same answer. Tanya?
Yes, sir, same, but we can also say that then
Yeah.
she will not be in G2.
She will not be in G2. Why?
मतलब she will not be attending the
हाँ,
classroom.
so Zoom तो है उसका. She is attending classroom, but then what you can say?
But it was also mandatory na to log into MTTS also.
No, I'm not saying login. I just saying has an account. Create an account. Login का बात नहीं हुआ. Zoom में तो login किया है. She has logged in already because she is attending classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but the statement is false, man. So uh, I can say that. So this is a statement where there are two things, right? We are checking. So what is the first thing? Siddhi has an account in Zoom, right? This is the first thing we check. And then what do we check? We check Siddhi has an account in MTTS classroom, right? So when is the statement true?
When both are true.
When both are true, yes. We just don't, if she has an account in Zoom, I cannot say the statement is true. If she has an account in MTTS classroom, then also I cannot say that the statement is true. So I have to check when this is also true and this is also true. Both are true, then the statement is true. So when is the statement false? So what is the
When
negation?
one of them is not.
Yes, when one of them. So how do I say?
Tanya, you
Negation.
can mute yourself.
No, let her answer anyway. So Tanya, how do I say it?
That Siddhi has no.
Siddhi?
Doesn't have account either on Zoom or
Yes.
MTTS.
So it's again a combination of two statements. Siddhi doesn't have account in Zoom. Yes, Tanya. Or yes, good. Or Siddhi doesn't have account in MTTS classroom. Okay, all of you understand this? Okay, good. See, we use like this, no? X, when we say that X belongs to A union B. What is the meaning of this? Room number 8, Rahul, are you there? Parth? Room number 4? Room number 4, Mansi? Yes, room number 10, Sonali? Am I audible or they are not answering?
Yes, sir.
So okay. I thought I lost connection maybe because nobody was responding. Yes, Sonali, when do we say that X belongs to A union B?
Sir,
What can we say? Either X is in?
X in A union B.
That means when some element is in the union, what can we say about? Rupali?
A और B में से एक में होंगे.
एक में हो गया. Yes, very good. So that's what X is in A or X is in
B.
Or X is in B. Okay, so what do we mean by saying that X is not in A union B? Divya, room number 2. Let me ask Divya, room number 2. X is not in A union B. Yes, Divya.
X A में भी हो सकता है और B में भी हो सकता है ना.
अगर A में भी हो सकता है तो फिर यूनियन में आ जाएगा. अभी हम बोल रहे हैं कब यूनियन में नहीं होगा. यूनियन में नहीं है तो इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका नेगेशन ना.
हाँ, यस.
तो क्या होगा? Okay. Room number 2, Vishwa.
Yes, sir.
बताओ जल्दी.
X do not belongs to A or X do not belongs to B.
हाँ, A में भी नहीं होगा and X is not in B, because if it is in one of them, then the statement will be true, right? X belongs to A union B. We are saying what does it mean by X is not in A union B? Is it clear, all of you? Right? Two statements are there. So when it is in the union, if it is the first one is true, then also the statement is true, or the second one is true, then also the statement is true. Okay. When we say that, when we say like this, 2 is less than equals to 3. Yes, Pradnya, you have any question?
यस सर,
हाँ.
हम वहां पे एंड की जगह और नहीं लिख सकते?
कहाँ पे?
ऊपर
Here.
यूनियन में नहीं हो, नहीं नीचे.
Here.
हाँ,
Okay.
यूनियन में नहीं है तो ए में नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना?
ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? What is if I take A is 1, 2 and B is 3? What is A union B? Pradnya, what is A union B?
1 2 3.
1 2 3. 3 आया ना यूनियन में?
हाँ, यस.
हाँ. So can I say that A में तो नहीं है? X is not in A, so 3 is not in A. तो आगे और लिखेंगे तो 3 is not in B, और लिखेंगे तो this is true, but still it is not, it is there in the union. Are you following?
यस यस.
हाँ, A में नहीं है तो यूनियन में नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं कह सकते ना. दोनों में नहीं होना चाहिए. B में आ गया तो भी यूनियन में आ जाएगा, है ना?
हाँ, यस.
यूनियन में नहीं है तो किसी में भी नहीं है. Okay. हाँ, think about it. हाँ. Okay, somebody else. Rishikesh. You have question, Rishikesh?
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
Sir, my question was that if A and B has some elements in common, and if X is that common element in A and B, then it can also happen that X is present in A and B at the same time.
That is true. It is there in the union. Okay. It is there in the union. It can be in both. This is also true. This is also true. That is also possible. Is that your question, Rishikesh?
Yes, sir.
That is possible. Both can be true. It can be in A also. It can be in B also. Or means what? You know, when we say that I'll take tea or coffee, I can drink both, no problem. You know, both is true. We don't take, when we guest ask us, will you take tea or coffee? We will say one thing. But when tea or coffee both we can take, then we don't ask them for both. But it is true. It is, this is also true and this is also true. It is possible. Okay, 2 less than equals to 3. Right? We speak this as two statements. 2 is less than 3, or we say that 2 is equals to 3. So is this true? The statement 2 less than equals to 3, is it true?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, but which one is true? The first one is true or second one?
The first one is true.
Yes, the first one is true. If it is or, both can also be true, but in this case, it is first one is true. So even if this is false, I don't care. Okay. So I have two statements, like this P and Q. The statement. So somebody answer. I'll just wind up. Sumit, room number 10.
Yes, sir.
When is a statement true? If S is of this form, there is a statement P and then Q. So when it is true?
सर समझा नहीं वाला क्वेश्चन क्या है?
हाँ, ये स्टेटमेंट है. इसमें ऐसे दो पार्ट है. P is another statement, Q is another statement, and
Yes.
P and Q ऐसा दिया है. तो स्टेटमेंट कब ट्रू होगा? ऐसे फॉर एग्जांपल हियर, सिद्धि हैज अ Zoom account, सिद्धि हैज एन MTTS क्लासरूम
सर
account.
दोनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होना चाहिए.
दोनों स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन इट इज फॉल्स, व्हाट इज द नेगेशन ऑफ?
कोई भी एक फॉल्स होगा तो सर मतलब स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स हो जाएगा.
हाँ, तो हाउ डू वी से कोई भी एक को, हाउ डू वी राइट?
Negation P or negation Q?
Either P is not true or Q is not
Not
true.
Q.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay, so I am giving one example and I'll end. So I'll write the statement. First let me write in this. Every student in G2 is a male or a female. I want to write in quantifiers and then I'll end with one question. So how do I write in quantifiers? Yes, quickly. Room number 5, Shiva. You can give
Given
notation.
any
Yes, given any
small s belonging to capital S,
small s belonging to capital S.
small s is a male or a female.
Yes, small s is a male. And see, these are two statements here, right? So small s is a male or small s is a female.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, very good. How many of you understand this? Okay, fine. So I want you to, in the discussion, think about this. Okay, first thing is the negation. What will be the negation? Okay, and second thing, what if I take the quantifier inside? That means if I write this like this, what happens? Given any s in S, given any s in S, S is a male, or given s in S, S is a female. Okay, I want you to think about this two things. Is it clear to all of you? You will negate that statement and frame more such statements and discuss. Is it fine? I'll stop here.
Thanks, Jay.
Yeah, you can stop there.
Yeah.